Wake up, guys.
Cat's reaction speed is just incredible.
Whatever.
Having a twin sibling is one-of-a-kind experience. If you're having a tedious day, this is what you should do. Way to start a fight. Curiosity always brings cats lots of trouble, but still, they're pretty into it. It's hard to guess what's happening inside Cat's head. Remember what I am doing, Dad. Calling an electrician is a waste. Turns out not only humans are afraid of boring office work. Can they stop being a comedian? You know, love is so hard to be stopped. Cats' creativity becomes amazing when they're bored.